What's a turkey's favorite dessert? Peach gobbler. Last time here on BarTalk&Cocktails, we made a peach syrup, a marvelous peach syrup. So delicious that I'm gonna have some right now. Yeah, I am. Shut up. Because it's been a couple weeks or a week, or I don't know how long it's been, but wow. Peachy. This is really good. It's freaking good. The maple syrup plays so well with the peaches. It's hard to believe. It's good, man. If you want to know how to make your own peach syrup, click the link over here. And yeah, it's fab, man. What can I say? Today, we're going to use this syrup and make a peach smash. Smash! So what is a smash? The smash is a family of cocktails that generally include spirit, sweetener, herb, and seasonal fruit, and of course ice. We're going to start with 3 little wedges of lemon. And to this lemon, we are going to add 3/4 ounce. Well, look how wonderfully thick that is. Or 22.5 ml of our peach syrup. And we're going to get in there and muddle like 90. Smash it all up good, baby. Ah, yeah. Lemon and peach together at last. Oh, yeah. There it is. There it is. Oh, yeah. Look at the color. Beautiful. Next is some mint. I'm going to go with, oh, I don't know. These are reasonable size mint leaves. So I'm going to go with like, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know. 8 mint leaves, okay? You don't really need to muddle. You can if you like, because I don't really want this mint forward, you know? Next, we're gonna add some bourbon. Today, I thought I'd use some Buffalo Trace. I'm gonna go with 1.5 ounces. Perfect. And ginger. Let's use our Domaine de Canton, okay? Pop that back. We want 3/4 ounce. I don't know, sometimes I wonder, why am I even using these things? I don't know. Let's just pour the damn thing. 3/4 ounce. Oh, there it is. I got this new crazy ice crusher. It was gifted to me by John. So thanks, John. Sort of works. I mean, it works. I like it because it has a big area to hold your crushed ice. But a lot of times the ice gets kind of trapped in there, so there's a few design flaws in this machine. And it's a lot quieter than my old one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ah! Ah, there it is. We got crushed ice. Okay, let's fill our cocktail shaker here with some ice and shake it. How are we shaking? How are we shaking, Viv? Okay.
Shake it like a peach. How do peaches grow on trees?
Well, yeah, they grow on trees. Yeah. Well, yeah, shake it like a peach. I don't know. Just shake the hell. Shake the hell. Shake the hell out of it. Okay. All I know. Shake. Shake it. Yeah. There it is. I can feel it. I can. Oh, holy crap. Wow. That's nice. That's nice. That's going to turn out nice. Let's grab our glass. It's in the freezer over here. Now, you could use a single large cube, and that would work fine. But, I don't know. It's summer. It's hot outside. I like crushed ice. And because it's a smash. Yeah. Fill her up. Crushed ice. Something like that. And we're going to fine strain this out over top. Nice color. That's from our peaches. Guaranteed. Beautiful. Okay, we're going to grab some mint here and give it a little slap to release all those oils and make it smell delish. Yeah, ooh, yeah. Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. I guess we should try it. I get mint right off the bat. That is really, really smooth. The peach syrup plays really, really well in this. It's not domineering by any means. It's kind of floating in the background. I'm getting the bourbon, I'm getting the ginger, I'm getting a little bit of mint. Even the lemon just balances everything out. What can I say? This is beautiful. It's just refreshing. This is perfect for a hot day. So what you gotta do is get some peaches, make some peach syrup, and make a peach smash. You'll be happy you did. So refreshing. Peach out, man. Last time here on BarTalk&Cocktails, we made forgot what we made. Okay, I got my peach smash here, and you need to make a peach smash too, because they are absolutely refreshing. So, in the meantime, hit the subscribe button and check out some of these other peach videos, because they're peachy. I don't know what to say anymore. I'm all peached out.